I think I've seen this one before.
I have. This looks so familiar.
I think traction 151. How cool would it have been if this was still open?
This was obviously something else before. You can easily tell. I'm guessing it was an iMagnet or something. Man, I wish we had a Bed Baths and Beyonds like this in Phoenix. All of ours are one floor. But it's okay though, I still love Phoenix. Let's go back down to 1. I'm gonna look at the buttons.
I'm gonna do 2 full trips in this one, okay?
Okay. Well, I'm gonna get off at 2, and I'm guessing you'll come back down.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna hit the escalators.
Cool. Let's get. I'm gonna get off at 2, but I know you were gonna come back down.
Yeah. Hey, you want a fan for your room tonight? There they are.
I think I'm okay.
Buy me another fan.
Wow, what a beautiful elevator. Okay, have fun. I'll wave bye to you when you go back down. Oh, it looks like one's already pressed. Well, have fun. I'll wave at you.
Yep.